Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about method overloading in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, method overloading is the practice of creating multiple methods with the same name but different parameter list in the same class. When a method is called, Java will use the method that best matches the parameters passed in the call. Here is an example of method overloading in Java. In this example, the class calculator has three methods with the same name add but different parameter list. The first method takes in two integers and returns the sum of them. The second method takes in the double and returns the sum of them. And the third method takes in three integers and returns the sum of them. When the add method is called, the Java compiler determines which method to call based on the number and type of arguments passed in the call. For example, in this example, the first method call calculator.add will call the first method public int add with two integers. And the second method call calculator.add will call the second method with two double parameters. And the third method call calculator.add will call the third method public int add with three integer parameters. It is worth mentioning that overloading methods must have different parameter lists. If the only difference is the return type, the compiler will give an error. In summary, method overloading in Java allows creating multiple methods with the same name but with different parameter lists in the same class. Java will use the method that best matches the parameter passed in the call. This feature provides a way to write more readable, maintainable, and reusable code. It is also important to note that while overloading methods, the parameter list must be different. This means the number and types of parameters must be different. If the only difference is the return type, the compiler will give an error. Also, the order of parameter types doesn't matter when overloading methods, as long as the number and types of parameters are different. Method overloading can make the code more readable and easy to understand. For example, in the given example of calculator class, it is clear that the class has different methods to add integers, doubles, and a combination of integers and doubles, which makes it easy for the user to understand the functionality of the class. Also, it can make the code more maintainable, as if you need to change the implementation of a method. You only need to change it in one place. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.